Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can change appearance to light mode on Skype. So let's get started. Firstly, open Skype app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, you can see the option of appearance. Tap on it. Next, you can see the option of modes. Below it, you can see the option of light. Click on it by tapping on it. Next, tap on apply. So, this is how you can change appearance to light mode on Skype. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.